everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. My name is Rebecca. I'm so happy to have you all here today. Today we're going to check out what's new, what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree store. We're located in the DFW area. I combined all the pictures I've taken from several different stores into one video and organize it by section. So let's go shopping and see what's new for the first half of the week. In apparel and accessories, they have the Arted Series socks for $1.25. These are adult sizes. They had the Mona Lisa and a Starry Night. You can see all the bright, colorful tapestry in those socks. There's also the Paul Frank sock monkeys, and they have a few pair of the Ace Ventura Pet Detective socks. This one says, "I'm ready to go in, coach." And then they have one with Ace Ventura dressed up as the character on those socks. Some kids socks that are ages 7 to 10 size, the Monopoly. And then more adult sizes, they've got the NASA socks in the Space series, and those have the white and gray checkerboard pattern. For the Kendall and Kylie items, they have more of these backpacks that they usually put out at back to school time. They have the adjustable straps on the back, and they're a miniature size backpack. Now for the arts and crafts this week, I found some new sets of the iron-on patches. They had this 4-pack here. They had, of course, the little butterflies, bumblebees, and ladybugs. This 4-pack has the strawberry and apple, also a lemon and a hamburger. This 4-pack with the sweet treats, you have your ice cream cone, a lollipop, and some cakes. Of course, we've got the Outer Space series, a bunch of the rolls of burlap and the red, white, blue, pink, and brown. Then some new needle felting kits, little animals. We've got the raccoon, this tiny little kitten. They also have a hamster, or maybe that's a hedgehog. What do you guys think it is? There's this little puppy. They have a fox. And then the last one I found, I believe this is a koala bear. The pom-pom makers, they now have this new set with 3 of them. It has the extra large pom-pom maker. The baby and toddler section, we've got some new bath bombs for the little ones. They had the Lilo and Stitch, Tinkerbell. This one is a eucalyptus scent. They also had the Disney Princess Sea Salt. That was the Ariel. And then some of the Spidey Friends, that was berry scented. The silicone teethers, they have the little strawberry shape and 2 different pineapples in different colors. They also brought back the little pairs of slippers. They have the little dots on the bottom so they don't slide. It has the Sherpa material on the inside, so they're nice and soft. They have those in various colors and sizes. Now for the health and beauty section, we'll first check out what's new in the cosmetics. We have the Sparkling Rose Highlighter. They also had Shimmering Pearl. This is a glow-up contour called Fair Medium. You can get it in the medium dark. These are all the Be Pure brand. They had the glow-up blush. This is Rose Gold and the Petal Bloom. Then there were these 4-packs of these beauty blenders by Olivia Lane. Also the hair care and hair accessories. They had in these Heritage by Mindy McKnight scrunchies. The Make It Beauty claw clips. They have the ones with the hearts on the top and the pink and yellow and the purple and blue. The Kristen S hair. This is a depositing color conditioner. They have 2 different bottles. You can get the lavender smoke. It shows you what your hair, what it looks like before and then after you use it. That is for the lavender. And they also have the coral rose, which we've seen before. So those are in those tall boxes over by the hair accessories. They brought back a bunch of the foam rollers in 3 different sizes. And they have a bunch of different colors. There's like purple, blue, and pink that they have out right now. And you can see the different circumference for each roller. You get about 6 to a pack. For the pharmacy and personal care section, they have the Retinol Renewing Double Serum. It's to refine skin tone and texture. It says it has peptides. There's also this Power Serum by Global Beauty Care. It has 6 benefits in one: refined texture, tone, and firm. They have the Spa Essentials Pearl and 24 karat gold flake serum. the new Be Pure Vitamin E pumice stones. And then they also had some of their emery boards or nail files that are also infused with vitamin E, and those are the 18320 grit. They are double-sided. The travel shower kits for traveling, you get 5 pieces in each of these kits, and they have them in various colors, plus a little travel bag. They have the yellow, the white. They also have it in orange or blue. And now for the fun finds for this week. These are little like items you'll find up by the register. They have these rainbow scratch stickers. There are the stickers. It comes with the little sticks you can scratch to color them. And then they have the alpaca. There's like some rainbows. There's cactus and the little llamas there. There's the rainbow stickers with the, I believe it's one of those large, what's it, capybara? The stackable gem highlighters. These are all these heart-shaped highlighters. They have the cat unicorn. There is the composition book. And then they had the outer space one. These are highlighters as well. They're the stackable blocks. They have 3 different packets that you could purchase, like the outer space, the unicorn cat, and the composition book. Over in the home decor, some new glass bottles. These are $1.75 now. These are about 9 inches tall. They have 2 different variations of these glass bottles, and they have gold trim at the top of the little bottle for both sizes. These are the tea light candle holders. These were $1.75 as well. They had the all white, the off white with silver undertones. There's the two-tone gold. And here they are side by side. Some have the silver undertones and some have the gold undertones, but they're like an aluminum flower. These large signs for $1.25 that say home has the rope on the sides and then that wreath O. The welcome sign with the pallet wood board and the buffalo plaid ribbon. Over in home decor, the home library, office supplies, and the back to school, we have these gel pens and highlighters. They are actually scented and they are double-sided. They have grape, strawberry, and blueberry. Some decorative notebooks. They've got the little butterfly. I love this rainbow. I think this one is so cute. They also have the llama wearing the sunglasses and a unicorn. And then this is a double notebook. So you have the smaller one in the front, the larger papers in the back. They have unicorns, the remote for the video game, and the sun and cloud. And then the leather bound journals, they have the llama, a unicorn, the dinosaur, and this adorable little balloon puppy. I thought that was so cute. Also, these Crayola boxes, they have the ones that say create. It looks like the crayons are spelling out the words. They have those in purple, green, yellow, and red. And then they brought back the ones that they've had in years past, the red, yellow, blue, and purple that say Crayola on the front with the paint drip. Also, they had these silicone cases for your pencils and crayons. These are absolutely adorable. I only found the red and the blue, but the box shows that it comes in 4 different colors, so there should be a yellow and green as well. Now for the housewares, maintenance, and storage. They have a bunch of these blue, teal, and white boxes. Those are the dry erase boxes you can write on to label. They also have these little cubes with the handles on the sides in all 3 colors. And then there are the stackable bins. There's like a little tab on the side you flip open so you can stack them. The clear bins in all 3 colors. The stackable with the 2 drawers. And then there are these collapsible baskets also in all 3 colors. They have these small paper baskets. They're $1.50. These are actually a little bit larger than the ones they used to carry. They're almost double the size. They also had their laundry baskets. Those are $1.50 now. These bins here with the little cutouts on the sides. Some larger buckets and pails. Over in the kitchen and pantry section, they have a whole bunch of these aluminum foil pans that are now $1.75. So this is a 3-pack of the gold. They do not have lids, but you can see the size here, where you can get the 2-pack. These ones are a little bit larger. It has the sizing on the measurements on the paper insert. They also had a bunch of these American flag ones with the plastic lid. I found more of these stainless steel straws, which have the silicone piece for the end of the straw and the little covers. They also had a bunch of snacks like these fruit and grain bites. There's strawberry, apple. You get 4 pouches. They also had these chili pineapple, dried pineapple wedges, and some honey chicken dipping sauce, which was new. They had this Abigail's Mediterranean couscous with roasted garlic and olive oil, the grill spray for non-stick grilling, and the non-dairy coffee creamer instant powder. You get 24 on-the-go packets. Also some coffee cups as they grow what you go through. Spring Gardens Flower Market. And when life gives you lemons, make something sweet. They had these charger plates that look like the wood grain in the lighter color. Also some of these cutting boards with the glass trivets that say live simply. They have those in the square or the circle. They also have a matching hot pad holder, the glove, and then the happiness is homemade. They have the round and the square and a matching hot pad holder as well. Then these soup bowls with the vented lid. These are now $1.50. They have them in 3 colors. We saw a lot of those bins in the houseware section. You can also get all 3 colors of the pizza holder. There's the one in the blue that says Pizza My Heart. The rest are just clear on the lid. These have the ice packs in the lid, which are great for lunches and back to school time. They have a bunch of those in, and then the double-sided vegetable containers with the dip container and the meal portion pieces. You have the 2 bins with the 3 portioned. Also the little miniature containers with the locks on the sides. Now for the party supplies this week, they have a bunch of these napkins that say cheers in the bright colorful motif. Also the party hats and balloons that say happy birthday with the blue background. A bunch of decorations and banners to match. And then I found a bunch of the neon bowls, which I have been having trouble finding them. They had the plates, the cups, and the tongs, and some platters, but that's the first I've seen the bowls that weren't all cracked. Over in the pet care, they have a bunch of these Sensations Play Strong infused scented toys for the dogs. They have like peanut butter and bacon scented, and they have those in the orange and the blue. For the seasonal section, they had some summer items out, even though they are starting to put out their fall items. They had a bunch of these like nautical decorations out. They had the boards with the seahorse cutout. They had this one that says life is better at the beach, and then sky above, sand below, peace within. They had this one that says beach vibes only. And then the mermaid's welcome. It has a mirrored mermaid down at the bottom. Welcome with the seahorse. It says welcome to the beach. And then welcome with the little fish at the bottom, also with a mirrored effect. There's home by the sea. And then find me by the sea. These have the beaded hanger on them at the top, which I always like when they add the little beads to the hanger. There's the home sign with the sand dollar, and then one with the seashell, the large corkboard tag with the coral reef at the bottom. And then the last one they had was salt in the air and sand in my hair. For toys and games this week, there wasn't a whole lot new. They did have these little miniature squishy balls. They had Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse. It says the fun starts here. They had some Disney Princess. And then there was Spider-Man. They had Iron Man and the Incredible Hulk. Then there's this Encanto bracelet activity surprise set for $1.25. It says which one will you get. They come in these little cubes. I thought these were like a blind pack that would cost more than that, but they were all over in the $1.25 section, and some of them had the price tags on as well. So now for the plus section, which will be anything that costs more than $3. They have these fall bush for $3. It's a large bundle of flowers that you get for the $3 price point. They have a bunch of different fall flowers mixed in throughout the bouquet. These are the large leaning signs. They have quite a few new ones out this year. The large wooden trays that say give thanks. It has the metal little handles on the sides. They also have this one that says gather. I'm not sure of the price. They covered the original price up with the red circle tag, but it did not have any numbers on it. Originally, they were $5 last year. This year, I'm really not sure, at least not until they mark the actual prices on them. They also had these fun pillows. There's this large pumpkin latte. They had a pumpkin and this adorable mushroom. I thought this was really cute. They're a nice large pillow. They also have the large pumpkins in the 3D. They have them in this really pretty like soft blue, the orange of course, and then the light off-white color. There were a couple different pumpkin candles like the cashmere vanilla harvest pumpkin. There's the honey crisp and the rustling leaf scent. They have a bunch of the Piva tablecloths. Those are in different sizes. They go to about 108 inches long. They also had the 52 by 90. Those were still $5 each, in case you were wondering. Then there's the large stackable pumpkins that are ceramic. Those again have gone up in price. I'm not quite sure what they are at the moment, but the burlap planted florals were $5. The Lazy Susans, they brought those back. They covered up the price, so they have gone up in price as well. But there are 3 of them to choose from. And that is all for today's video. Thank y'all so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you haven't done so already. And leave a comment down below. What was your favorite find this week so far at the Dollar Tree? I hope you all have a lovely week, and I'll see you back here on Friday. Take care.